there were 2 or 3 girlfriends and I snuck off. We had a car and we went over to a little snack shop way off of Hillsborough Street. We were having a great time, and in walked the coach, Ray Gregson. Well, he didn't say anything. He just looked at us, and then he said, "You girls not supposed to be over here." But he didn't turn us in.
I can remember President Roosevelt dying and being over in Pullen Park with my 9th grade English teacher, who was a homeroom teacher also. We had a picnic and they came running down the bank saying Roosevelt had died, and she broke down and began to cry, and all of us tried to console her, and so we couldn't understand why she was crying, but it was the age of being 13, 14 years old.
Before teachers were allowed to wear slacks, there were 3 of us. Zalota Miller, Nell Katie, and I decided one Friday to wear a slack suit, knowing that Dr. Jewell would frown on it. Her Watts, every time I walked in, and I walked in with a dress, he referred to me as Madame Colbert. When I came in with a slack suit, it was, "Hey you."
We were large, and we had assemblies at least every week or every 10 days. And it was a way of bringing everybody together, and every student could look around and say, "I am a part of Needham B. Broughton High School." Plus the fact that they could see their friends perform who are excelling in various parts of the school functions, music, art, athletics, whatever it might be. Honor Society, Service Club, it brought us together, and I think in a tremendous way.